Yesterday I showed you how you can open an account on Betika's site to play Aviator and other crash games and sport betting. In today's video, I want to show you how you can deposit money once you have registered via the link I posted in that video, and I also posted the same link in the description so you can find it there. So how you can do that is by coming on top here where it says deposit. You click that. Once you click that, you choose how much you wanna deposit. For example, in my case, I'm going to deposit 500 kwacha. Since I'm in Malawi, so I'm going to use TNM or Airtel, but in my case, I'm going to use TNM. In your country, you can use MTN, MoMo, or Airtel money. All right. Then you simply click deposit here. Once you do that, you'll receive a notification on your phone. As you can hear, that's my phone ringing, so I should put my TNM mobile money pin that I set for authentication so that the deposit must be successfully deposited. So once you have entered your pin, you need to wait a bit. Your money will come here. So I'll refresh the page so you see so that you see the money. You see here, the money has been deposited successfully.